Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Cobalt battery charger suddenly shows a solid red light and the battery does not seem to charge the way it normally should, it can definitely become confusing. Sometimes the charger stays on the same light for a long time without any progress, while other times the battery seems connected but never finishes charging properly. A solid red light can sometimes happen because of battery temperature, contact buildup, charging interruptions, or connection issues that are easy to overlook. Before assuming the battery or charger completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many charging problems can improve after quick adjustments. Let's go through several easy steps that may help fix a Cobalt battery charger showing a solid red light. Try these. Step 1. Remove the battery from the Cobalt battery charger and reconnect it carefully to check if the fit feels secure. Step 2. Open the battery contact area on the Cobalt battery charger and gently remove visible dust or buildup. Step 3. Let the battery connected to the Cobalt battery charger cool down briefly if it feels unusually warm. Step 4. Try a different power outlet with the Cobalt battery charger if the solid red light stays unchanged. Step 5. Disconnect power from the Cobalt battery charger for a short moment before plugging it in again. Step 6. Watch the light on the Cobalt battery charger and confirm whether charging begins behaving normally again.